know, but this is a kitty.
Do you remember the first couple of pictures that we took?
Kitty, kitty. Sometimes we call him, I don't know. Hi, Nugget. And there's that other silly dog. Ha ha ha. And there she goes playing with the dog. Get that kitty cat. Kitty kitty. Get that kitty. Uh-oh. Get that kitty. Moxie, get that kitty cat. Get that kitty. Get that kitty. Well, she's been here about a week now. And we've named her a couple of names. And Moxie's been here today. And there's my dog, Nugget. And there goes Hector hiding. And this is the fire. And ooh, look at the fire. It's hot. Hot, hot. I'm going to open it up. Ooh, look at how hot. Nice. Oh, very warm and hot. Woo-hoo-hoo, yes. I'm going to close the door and prop it a little bit because the air thing's not working very good. And there's her. Uh-oh. And they're up to something. What are you guys up to? Can you lay down? Go by Nugget. Come here. Sit. Sit down. Good boy. They're such good doggies. Now, stay. Good boy. Stay. Good boy. Down. Good boy. Oh, there he goes.